I can't back out. I'm too far down. Pull me back. All right. All right, so what's going on, guys? Oh, now you want me to take a picture? Hold on. You look all right. Yeah. It is. They are quite nice. So, you're welcome. Yeah, that sounds pretty good too. There's something in my glove. No. Surprise! Oh yeah, that's not good. It's a roll. It's not really a roll. Yeah. Oh, I'm in first gear. That wouldn't have worked out so well.
Still full on gas?
I don't know. Are you full?
I haven't gone full on gas.
Well, this thing doesn't have any bars because it's apparently broke. So we have to do the. Oh yeah, we got lots of gas. I have to do the old visual check because nothing works on this bike. I'm kind of like just going over our little pre-ride shit. Two brothers versus M4. Yeah, they're both tits. That's all that matters. All right, well, lead the way. Who? Taylor. We're Malcolm X and Taylor, downtown Dallas. There's a lot of wind coming off your mic. You need to tuck that baby up in there more. Tuck your tampon in more. Yes, it is. Oh yeah, there's a definite difference in sound between these two. Yeah, because this is a long ride too. Yeah, I'm sure the vibration on these bricks helps with your bathroom problem. I gotta keep adjusting my frickin' sunglasses. Yeah, when it's all scratched up like yours. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's... Hand and arm signals. Watch, that car's trying to come over into you. Don't we need to go right? I think that's a sharp turn. Never mind. Alright, what's going on, guys? Continuing on with my little Thanksgiving Dallas-Fort Worth trip. I'm here with my brother. He's on a 2008, 2009, I can't remember the years, Honda CBR 600RR, and I am on the same year Kawasaki ZX6R that I picked up and I've rented. So picked up this bike. I've never been on a Kawasaki Ninja before, so this is my first time. I've been on his bike. I've been on another CBR 600RR. I have my FZ09, which I love. But first impressions, the owner of this bike has put on different bar ends here, different clip-ons, and they've lowered them and extended them out. And it's not bad when you're riding. It definitely is. You're leaned over a lot more in your stance on this one. You see here, the key is just flopping around. So as we were going over the bike, I'm like, what's up with this? Apparently somebody tried to steal his bike. They tried to cut the key housing off so they could unlock it to steal it. Didn't happen, but everything still works. A few little scratches. I think he says the second owner might have been laid down one time, but nothing too bad. Most of it was fixed up. But I don't know what performance parts this thing might have on it or done to it, except it does have a Two Brothers exhaust. So it sounds good. Coming from obviously an FZ09 onto an actual sport bike. Riding stance a lot different. The acceleration way different. You know, these things like to take off in that 8 to 10,000 ranges whenever they really pick up and go. Right now we're cruising. My speedometer says we're cruising much faster than speed limit, but obviously the sprockets have been changed out on this thing. His speedometer is inaccurate because we were just talking about it. I think mine's saying registering something like 8-9 miles an hour over the actual what we're traveling at, and his is about 5 or 6. Ride's great, handles great. The only thing about having these bars so low is that I have to keep pushing myself back because my nuts keep slamming into the freaking tank. But that's all. That's just changed up my style too. You know, going from an FZ09 to this thing is, you know, it takes you a minute to readjust on how you ride. But oh man, we're having a great time. It's the day before Thanksgiving down here, and it is cold. This is like the coldest day that we've had. I think it was, when we got up this morning, it was somewhere in the mid-30s, and we're like, oh man, are we sure we're going to do this? But this is basically the only day we have to get out and ride together. So we pressed on. I think we just went past 50 degrees, but whatever, we're layered up. We're good to go. Not too bad. Kawasaki, definitely love it. It was definitely on one of my top choices of bikes when I was looking for used ones. This bike, the other issue with this bike is the speedometer doesn't work. Something happened whenever they must have tried to steal this bike or whatever. They damaged part of the electrical system, so the speedometer works. It shows the gear indicator, but the fuel gauge does not work at all, and the miles read just straight zeros. Clock works, the temperature and that information works, but you have no idea how many miles they're traveling, and you have no idea what your fuel gauge is. So thank goodness I'm with him. That way he can kind of gauge on how much fuel we have. We both topped off together. I assume we have somewhere close to the same capacity of tank, so once he gets about to a quarter of a tank left, I kind of know how to fill it back up. We're just kind of out on adventures today. That's what today is. Just we want to get out, we want to put miles on the road, and we just want to keep cruising. So, what the fuck are we listening to, Enrique Iglesias? What is that music? What? I obviously it's Touch Me. I mean, you know, it's uplifting. Yeah. Let's be done touching me, and let's go to a different song. Hey, you realize I have no concept of any mileage whatsoever, right? Okay. All right, bye. When we get at that cruise, like that 7,000 RPM cruise, the drone from both of our exhausts is almost deafening. I love it. Go for D, man. Yeah. Oh. So that's downtown Fort Worth right there. What do I have to do? My hand and arm signals because the freaking turn signals. Oh, I appreciate that. This is us, 15C. Watch it. There's some fucking Honda or Toyota beside us. Oh, of course it's a chick. No. She looks like a Russian bodybuilder, but not the good kind. Oh. Apparently that guy really needs to move over. Go around him. Are we going that way too? Okay, good. I was gonna say, how do these bumps feel with your bladder being full? I feel like there should have been a sign that said stop sign ahead. What if we were going hard, but it's not even a stop sign? You know that wasn't a stop sign for us, right? The stop sign was from the other road. Yeah, that's okay. Oh. Oh, so we're gonna have to get the right lane? Yeah, but I was kind of looking at the cop that was staring at us. Yeah. Station Square. Yeah, Station Square in downtown or Fort Worth. Yeah, you didn't see the cop that was in the vest? No, it said police. It's crowded down here. Is it always this crowded down here? Green light. Well, I mean, no, we can't pay because it charges for both bikes. I don't fucking know. I misjudged this. I didn't know what you were doing. I can't back out. I'm too far down. Pull me back. Alright. I didn't know what you were doing.